Bitcoin continues its sideways movement that it has maintained for almost a month now. At this point, my only question is, where do we think Bitcoin is heading through the weekend? Will we break down? Will we break up? Or will we continue trading neutrally? Before we get started, I want to let you know that we have 2 brand new trade setups for you to check out. Links are in the description. We are currently 10 wins, 0 losses, and now have 2 open trades that we are expecting to see moves up in soon. So if you want to get access, again, links are in the description for the membership to get access to our trade setups. Let's get started. We're going to start off on the tradeconfident.io website today, and I'm just going to take you straight down to the Bitcoin metrics. We're jumping right into the analysis with the emotional index. Now, emotions are going to be one of the most important things to pay attention to in trading. And as of right now, over the past few days, we have remained overwhelmingly neutral. Things are staying just about in the middle, as the price has as well. And moving on to the volatility breakout detector, we are in low volatility, and I don't think that's any surprise to anyone as we continue trading sideways in this market. However, most often when we do see low volatility readings, whenever we poke into that area, that is when we're seeing pretty drastic moves. Typically, impulse moves come after a time of low volatility. So we are going to be expecting an impulse move either up or down pretty soon here, and we got to check out the other metrics to decide which direction. For now, while we are seeing orange bars to the short trade sentiment side, it's not until we see a value of about negative 800 here that we're actually expecting moves down. Because the reading is so low, because we continue switching between long trades and short trades here, even though there is a bias towards short trades, this is a fairly neutral reading as well. Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. Now, support and resistance is going to be the bread and butter of your trading. And as of right now, we still have this $25,288 structure support if we do finally break down out of this. There is not a structure resistance to pay attention to on this chart, but I will be showing you on the live chart, so stay tuned for that. Next up is the Bitcoin long versus short trades, and this is just another way to chart those emotions. We can see a lot of people lost faith in Bitcoin right about here. We saw a drop in those long trades, and there was a small correlating drop right here in price to go along with it. Short trades continue on sideways. Overall, as long as things continue sideways as they are, I don't expect any drastic price movement. It's not until we see another big move like this that we could be expecting a breakout. Last but not least is the Bitcoin daily trade scanner. Now, this was a great call right here from the sell signal as the price has moved down from that top. I personally would like to see the price drop a little bit more, at least to this structure support, if not to that 25,800 level, before we see any buy signals. And once we reach that right here or right here and we get a buy signal, that's when we're expecting the next move up in the market. Now, while things are looking neutral right now, while there's not much volatility, there's not much going on in the market, we are expecting some crazy moves in the market soon. So you're going to want to get access to these metrics to be able to follow along with us. In order to do that, you can grab the membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more. It'll be the first link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the membership page where you can get full access for $59 a month. This will include the metrics across all 20 coins on our website, as well as scalping trade calls. We just called out 2 brand new calls that, as I told you in the introduction. If we move up here to those trade setups, you can see we have 10 trade wins, 0 losses with 2 trades pending. You're going to have to subscribe to view all that content. Just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Again, we got 2 active trades right now that you can jump into. With that, let's get back to the live charts. Here we are looking at Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour time frame. Since March 16th here, when we got this big move up, we have been trading within this small little area for about a month. Today is April 7th, and if we stay here for another, 9 days, this will officially be an entire month in this sideways pattern. This does look to be either distribution or accumulation before either a huge move up or a huge move down. Now, it does seem like we are nearing the bull market at this point, so there is more bullish pressure, I think, in the market. I think whales are more likely to pump the price at some point. However, it is hard to say. It is really difficult to say. Price versus well money flow is overwhelmingly neutral, as I keep saying. I don't know if anyone's seen Futurama, but like Zap Brannigan's disgust for neutrality. As he says, with an enemy, you know where they stand, but you never know what a neutral coin is going to do. It's really difficult to tell. There's a lot of uncertainty, and the whales just literally keep just moving sideways. This whale money flow indicator is amazing. it really helps you get behind the scenes and spy on what whales are doing. However, if they're going to continue moving stuff sideways, just in and out of the market really slightly, it's going to continue moving the price sideways, because where whale money goes, the price is going to go too. At this point, the trend exhaustion is kind of in its top red section as we're close to this breakout point. So if whale money does continue trailing out of the market like it has been for the past few days, and we continue moving up here as the price drops, this could be an indication of a possible breakdown in the market. As of right now, though, I'm just waiting for the price to drop to that $27,500 mark. If we do manage to break below that, it's going to be a pretty quick move, I think, to around that $26,600 mark. This would still be within the sideways pattern. I really am not expecting any major moves over the weekend. Over the next couple of days, I wouldn't be shocked to move right here. And if we move to the daily time frame, we're actually seeing even more of a neutral signal here. Let me zoom out here. Price versus whale money flow is very slowly trickling down. Trend exhaustion has been trading within its middle section for a while. So honestly, I think 27,500 over the weekend is the most likely point, with $26,600 if we do manage to break down. However, I don't think that would happen until kind of the middle of next week, say Wednesday of next week. With that, though, we are expecting a breakout soon. I think big moves on the market could be coming, especially with that volatility detector super low on its chart. If you want to get access to these indicators so you can prepare yourself for a major move in the market, I can give you up to $400 off right now. In order to get those $400 off, you're going to want to click the link down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more. The indicators are going to be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page. In order to get the best possible deal with that $400 off, you're going to want to purchase the bundle pack first. It's going to be lifetime access for a one-time payment with over 3,900 sales. So even this bundle pack is crushing it. You'll get the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow, as well as 7 other indicators for you to use. And the bundle pack will include the $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. Purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators will be cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone. So this will be the best possible deal. Again, the links are in the description. You're going to want to grab the indicators. They're going to be really important as volatility comes back into the market. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.